XiaoXin Pad Pro 2021. Yeah, it's the newest XiaoXin Pad. CPU is 870 and Android 11-inch OLED screen. Okay, now let's open. Oh my god. Yes. Dong 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 dong, boom 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 boom. Yeah. This is sleeve. Camera. Flash. And Type-C is for keyboard. And sound press key button. Open it. Now it's the newest Lenovo tablet, and now it's only official firmware. Yes, only English and Chinese English. Is the Chinese version start shading? Okay. Wi-Fi. WIY. Skip. Studio assistant. Skip. PC model. Skip. Lenovo cloud. Skip. Skip. Yes. U-touch and virtual touch. I like it. Go. Yes. That's where Wi-Fi boot through airplane model, PC model Lenovo 1. Okay. Connect to Wi-Fi. Okay. No, it's R. Okay, connect. The Pad Pro 2021 have four JBL speakers. Let's try it. It's music.